during the entire Lok Sabha election in 2019. Expressing confidence that NPP candidate from Tura parliamentary seat Agatha Sangma would emerge victorious in the Lok Sabha elections, NPP leader and cabinet minister Rakam Sangma said the NDA is coming back to the power with a huge majority and that the party would request a ministerial berth for Agatha as the new ministry needs more representative from the northeast. With just 2 days left for campaigning for the first phase of Lok Sabha polls, with voting scheduled to be held on April 19th, campaigning by political parties in Meghalaya are in full swing. 4 candidates are in the fray for the poll from Tura. These included Agatha Sangma from NPP, Zenith M. Sangma from TMC, Salang A. Sangma from Congress, and independent candidate Leben Marak.
Parties that are doing campaigning, yes, like I just they are not serious because they have understood both the Congress, the TMC has understood they are not winning. Looking because the national, the NDA is coming back to the power.
The Regional Democratic Alliance